Hi y'all, welcome back. Today we have a few tips for you on making the most out of your marketing efforts. If you haven't done so already, it's time to get creative. Influencer marketing is not only becoming one of the most popular forms of marketing, but also one of the most effective, with over a 91% success rate. In fact, 71% of marketers said the customers or leads gained from influencers were higher quality than those from their other marketing efforts. Influencer marketing is the perfect strategy for agents to meet and retain new clients. Your past clients are your influencers, the ones you know and love, the ones who never fail to refer you when they have the opportunity, and the ones you truly enjoyed working with. Showing off that relationship speaks volumes about who you are as an agent. Some easy ways to capture and show off that relationship are asking your clients for reviews, getting them to send you their friends as referrals, and featuring them in testimonial videos. Don't forget about your past clients. They can be your best marketing asset. That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.